AumSum was walking through a blooming garden when a sudden tickle sparked in his nose. His face scrunched up, his chest tightened, and with a burst of force he sneezed loudly. The surprise left him puzzled and thinking, "Why do we sneeze?" Determined to find answers, AumSum shrank himself down to a tiny size and entered through his own nose. Inside, he found soft winding passages lined with tiny hairs called cilia. They moved gently back and forth, sweeping away dust like little brooms. The air was filled with floating particles of pollen, and the walls glistened with a thin layer of mucus. As AumSum explored further, he noticed groups of nerves hidden under the surface. Each time a speck of dust touched them, sparks of energy shot toward the brain. Suddenly, the calm disappeared. Waves of pollen drifted heavily through the passages. The cilia tried to sweep the irritants away, but the pollen spread faster and thicker. The nerves fired urgently, sending more signals to the brain. AumSum tried to run, but heavy mucus dripped and clung to him. Then, the brain commanded the chest muscles to squeeze hard. Air filled the lungs, and with an explosive force, a sneeze shot outward. The mighty blast cleared away the pollen storm and carried AumSum out into the sunlight. AumSum finally understood why we sneeze.